or they've implied it. When I asked them to submit to Jeremy's legal team hundreds of items, which I listed, hundreds of items that they suppressed at his original trial and subsequent appeals, the Essex Chief Constable told me, we believe that we have handed over all relevant evidence. Essex Police have abrogated to themselves the right to determine what evidence is relevant. That's absolutely outrageous. And it is a de facto admission that there is other evidence that they have not handed over.